Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Jamaluddin from DLH 5A, BLH 2303 017. Today I will talk about organic farming. What is organic farming? Organic farming is a sustainable agriculture approach that seeks to produce food in harmony with the environment by avoiding synthetic chemical, focusing on natural fertilizer and compost to boost soil health, promoting biodiversity through crop rotation and companion planting, conserving water with efficient irrigation method, and maintaining animal welfare standard, all while reducing pollution and minimizing the carbon footprint to create a self-sustaining ecosystem that support both human and environmental health. An example of organic farming is using compost and crop rotation instead of chemical fertilizer and pesticide to grow vegetable, which help maintain soil fertility and reduce environmental impact. Organic farming use a variety of method to maintain soil health, like manage pests naturally and grow crops sustainably. Here are some their method. First is crop rotation. Crop rotation is rotating crops seasonally to prevent nutrient depletion and reduce pests and disease built up in the soil. Two, green manure and cover crop. Growing cover crop like clover or rye to improve soil fertility, prevent erosion and suppress weed by adding organic matter. 3, composting. Using composted organic materials like food scrap, plant waste, manure to enrich soil with nutrient and enhancing its structure. 4, biological pest control. Introducing beneficial insect like ladybug or predator like wasps, and encouraging natural predator to manage pests without chemical. 5, no-till farming. Minimizing or avoiding soil tilling to preserve soil structure, reduce erosion, and maintain beneficial organism with the soil. 6, natural fertilizer. Using organic fertilizers such as bone meal, fish emulsion or seaweed extract instead of synthetic fertilizer to nourish plant. 8, mulching. Covering soil with organic material like straw leaf to retain moisture, suppress weed and improve soil health as the mulch decompose. 9, integrate livestock. Including livestock such as chicken or goat in crop system to provide natural fertilization, control pests and improve biodiversity. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maizatul Aida binti Nurin from DLH 5A. My ID is BLH 2303008. I want to talk about identification of possible pests. Organic farming is an agriculture approach that emphasizes sustainability, environmental stewardship, and biodiversity. It avoids synthesis chemicals using instead natural process to enhance soil fertility, control pests, and promote a healthy ecosystem. The system relies on methods like crop rotation, composting, and natural pest management to maintain soil health and crop productivity. 1 is aphids. Aphids are small, soft-bodied insects that can be green, black, brown, or yellow. They often cluster on the outer sides of the leaf and tender new growth. The impact of the aphids, they feed on plant sap, leading to stunted growth, curly the leaf, and the transmission of plant virus. They are excreted injection of honeydew can also attract ants and lead to sooting moth. For management, introduce natural predators such as ladybugs or laceweed and use insecticides or its oil to control population. 2 is cabbage worm. These are the larvae of cabbage white butterfly, typically green or yellow-green and up to 1 inch long. They are commonly found on cabbage, kale and other brassicas. Impact of the cabbage worm: heal large hole in leaf, reducing the plant's ability to photosynthesis and leading to decreased yield. For the management, hang pick visible worm and apply covers to protect adult mounts from laying eggs. 3 is spider mites. Spider mites are tiny. Spider mites like attracting that can appear as tiny specks on plants. They are typically found on the other sides of leaf and produce fine whipping. The impact: they suck sap from plants, causing yellowing, stippling, and leaf drop, particularly in hot, dry conditions. For management, regularly means plants which water to dislodge them and produce predators that feed on spider mites. Slug and snail identification. Slugs are soft-bodied mollusks without shell, with snails have coiled shell. They vary in size and color. The impact both feed on leaf, living in regular holes, and they thrive in moist conditions. For management, hand-pick slugs and snails at night, use barriers like crop tape, and introduce natural predators like toads. And the last one, cutworm. Cutworms are usually brown or gray, a caterpillar that can grow up to 2 inches long and are typically found in the soil near the base of plants. The effect: they feed at night, cutting off seedlings at the soil line and damage young plants. For management, create barriers using cardboard collars around seedling and apply beneficial nematodes to target larvae in the soil. That's all from me, and thank you. Lastly, organic farm often manage these pests through natural methods like companion plantings, introducing beneficial insects. For example, ladybugs to control aphids, and using organic pest repellents. This practice helps maintain ecological balance without relying on synthetic pesticides.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Adam Nakib Abdul Syarif Effendi, and today I'd like to share with you some insights of organic farming and disease identification. I recently attended a training session where I learned about identifying possible disease based on a video. The video highlight four potential disease, which is powdery mildew, bacterial wilt, rust, and blossom and root. Let me explain more about each of these. Let's go. Okay, first is powdery mildew. This fungal disease forms a white powdery layer on leaf, and the cause is fungi thrive in humid conditions with poor air circulation. And for me, the farm might use neem oil or sulfur-based sprays as natural remedies, along with improving airflow through proper plant spacing and pruning. Okay, next point is bacterial wilt. This soil-borne bacteria causes sudden wilting caused by the bacterium Ralstonia solanacearum, spreading through soil or infects roots. And for me, the farm should use organic method, include crop rotation, soil health improvement with compost, and removal of infects plants to prevent spread. And number 3 is rust. Rust causes orange brown spots on leaf. This because the causes is fungi spread through wind and water in damp condition, and the solution is the farm may use natural antifungal treatments, proper spacing and crop rotation to manage this. And for the last is blossom and root. Blossom and root is this is common in tomatoes. This result from calcium deficiency and uneven watering. The causes is calcium deficiency or inconsistent watering, and I think the solutions to prevent the blossom and rot is the solution is include consistent watering, adding calcium rich organic fertilizer, and ensuring healthy soil structure. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Wadia binti Muhammad Jaafar from the LH5A. So I will talk about the pest and disease management for the sustainable, aka organic farm. So managing pests on an organic farm requires a holistic approach that emphasizes prevention, monitoring, and the use of natural control methods. So for the sustainable approach, we usually use a cultural practice such as crop rotation. Crop rotation is alternating crops can disrupt pest life cycles and reduce infestations. So for the number 2 is a biological control. Biological control means they just use a pest that has a natural predators such as ladybugs and lacewings. Introduce or encourage beneficial insects such as ladybugs and lacewings that prey on pests. So for the conclusion, organic farm does not use any chemical pesticide to do a pest and disease management. This is because they want to keep the health of the plant and the environmental itself. To be added, it is also to balance the ecosystem, promote biodiversity, and ensure sustainable production on your organic farm. Always adhere to organic certification standards while selecting and applying any pest management practice. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Aiman bin Muhammad Kamal Zaman. Today, I want to share you about how to manage pests in organic farming. Okay, for manage organic farming, we need to do crop rotation. Like rotate crops to disrupt pest life cycle. Which is we make pest confused. We plant the different plant. Then anti-cropping, planting different crop together can defer pests. And then maintain healthy soil through composting and cover cropping to promote resilient plants. And then make a row cover. Use floating covers to protect plants from pests. And then mulching, apply organic mulch to suppress weeds and deter pests. Next, we need a biological control. Introduce or encourage predator like ladybugs or lacewing. And then microbial controls, use beneficial microbes or nematodes to target specific pests. And then monitoring and identification, do inspection for monitor crop regularly for early sign of pest activity. And pheromone traps, is use traps to monitor pests population and behavior. Next, we need a natural pesticide such as neem oil that is effective against a wide range of pests, and then insecticide target body insect without harming beneficial species. And then essential oil, some oil can repel pests, used with caution. And then companion planting, we plant certain species together to naturally repel pests, example marigold and vegetables. And then lastly, habitat enhancement, create habitats for beneficial organisms such as planting wildflower or providing shelter. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.